Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? Okay, girls, without wasting much time, what we are going to do, we are going to start our chapter from geography. That is the 23rd chapter. Chapter name is resource. Okay, the term resource, any physical aspect of the environment that people value and it is used to meet its need. It is known as resource. And there are many uh, elements that exist in the natural form and they have not been used till yet. Those are known as substances. For example, we take sun is a source of heat and light. We get heat and light from the sun source, and we have many elements from nature that are termed as resource. Example, that is coal, soil, solar energy, oil, fish, trees, water, timber, metal, animals. They all are resource from nature, we can say. There are many substances around us. If you look around yourself, you will find many substances. Let us take an example of log of wood. एवरीवन नो एक लकड़ी का टुकड़ा है, बड़ा लकड़ी का टुकड़ा. Log of wood is useful when you know its value, when you know its use. The importance of log of wood is that you can convert that log of wood into a chair by using your technology, by using your skill. You can convert that log of wood into a, we can say, you can make table, chairs, or anything you can make. Now, if we talk about the characteristic of resources, they are usability, value, time, and technology. Usability says that, for example, the dictionary. A dictionary, it is being used by a student. We can say a dictionary is useful for a student. Student know its use. For farmer, it is not of any use, we can say. So usability is one of the characteristic of a resource. We can say value. Second one is value. Third one we have technology and time. Next, fourth one is time. So there are characteristic of resources, that is usability, technology, time, and value. When you know a use of a particular substance, particular resource, then you can convert that substance into a resource, you can say. One is value. You know the value of log of a wood, the pencil in my hand. So we can say a log of wood is being used to make this pencil. You know the importance of wood. By wood, with the help of wood, you can make pencils and many other items. And how can you make all these things? लकड़ी का आप कोई भी चीज़, कोई भी सामान, आप देखते हैं लकड़ी का कितना प्यारा फर्नीचर होता है हमारे पास, और घर में टेबल्स, चेयर्स, बहुत सारी चीज़ होती है, स्कूल फर्नीचर होता है हमारे पास. ये सब कैसा आया? दे यूज देयर People have used their skills and technology in converting that substance into a resource, we can say. So I think that resource is clear and the characteristic of resource is clear. We have very few questions in the practice zone number one. That is, we have 5 questions of every question, and I know you are very smart. You can easily do that. Okay, no issues. And if you have any problem, please contact me. Okay, or you can drop a message in the comment section. I'll give you the reply on that one. So now we have the type of resources. We have the resources are of 3 types. Characteristic are of 4 types. That is time, value, usability, and technology. And we can say natural resources are of 3 types: human resource, natural resource, and human made resource. So starting from the very first one, that is natural resource, all the element which are found in nature and we use them, they are found in nature and we are using them without making any changes in them. Example, very easy: air, water, and light. So they are नेचुरल रिसोर्स. आप इनको बिना चेंज के इस्तेमाल करते हैं. आप हवा में कोई चेंज करते हैं? आप पानी में कोई चेंज करते हैं? नहीं ना. सो ये क्या है, हमारे पास एक नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज है. नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज की अगर हम बात करें तो वो भी हमारे पास जो होते हैं दे आर क्लासिफाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ, ये भी 4 तरह की बेसिस पे क्लासिफाई किए जाते हैं. नंबर 1 इज ओरिजिन, कहाँ पाए जाते हैं. नंबर 2 डेवलपमेंट एंड यूज, उनका इस्तेमाल कैसे होता है. थर्ड वन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, कहाँ कहाँ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होते हैं. और फोर्थ वन है रिन्यूएबिलिटी. नाउ is that clear to everyone? That is natural resources, element which are found in nature and we are using them without making any change in them, that are natural resources. And natural resources are classified on the basis of origin, development, renewability and distribution. We can see on the basis of origin we have two types of resources, that is abiotic and biotic. Biotic means living resources and abiotic means non-living resources. All the resources that has life in them are known as biotic resources, and all the elements that does not have any life, do not have any life, are known as abiotic resources. We have the example over here, that is plant, animal and birds. They are biotic resources. And rock, gold, silver, copper, aluminium, these are non non-living resources, we can say abiotic resources. So second classification of resources is development and use, or we have potential resources and actual resources. Potential resources, we can say that they are available to us but we cannot use them for any certain reasons, we can say. And we can use them in future, in the okay. Those resources which are presently not in use but can be used in future are known as potential resources. And actual resources means that they are being used in the present time. We have coal mines, we have Kolar gold mines, we can say, and Jharia coal mines. So they are now in being used. They are known as actual resources. And actual resources is consist of two type of resources, that are reserve resource and stock resource. The part of actual resource which can be developed profitably, from where profit is being generated, that is known as reserve resource. And from that part which profit is not generated, it is known as stock reserve. So I hope potential resource and actual resource are clear to everyone. Okay. Now we have, on the basis of distribution, resource can be classified into two different parts. Number one, ubiquitous, and number two, localized resources. Ubiquitous means that the resources which are found everywhere. एग्जाम्पल, बहुत कॉमन से एग्जाम्पल है इसके लिए, एयर, water, light. These are ubiquitous resources. They are found, we can say they are found everywhere. Localized resources. Next one is localized resources. Localized resources are those which are found at a certain region. I think we are done with our two practice zone number 1 and practice zone number 2. Let me summarize the headings, okay, that we have done today. We have done the topic resource and substance, characteristic of resources, usability, value, technology and time. Then we have done type of resources, 3 type: natural, human resource and human made resource. Natural resource, it is again classified, we can say number 1 is origin, development and use, distribution and renewability. And it's all about our topic, this one. So girls, please go through this video, and whatever you find, any problem if you are having, so please directly message me, or you can message in a comment box. I'll give you a reply. So girls, your work now is to complete the practice zone number 1 and practice zone number 2. Okay, you have already completed, just go through it once, and tomorrow we will meet with new topic, that is human made resource and human resources. Okay, so everyone, stay home, stay safe, no need to go out. You'll get everything at your home. Okay, so bye everyone, goodbye, thank you.